Hello. The purpose of this video is to show the similarities and differences between Odoo and SAP and some learning experiences. We will see that Odoo has a more colorful display, it's easier to use, has more space, and it's quicker to get things done. Both SAP and Odoo, they provide the same functionality. However, you'll need to download the apps for purchasing an inventory for Odoo. Well, the SAP GUI ERP system does not need that. So we're going to go over the interface for inventory, then creating a purchase requisition order and purchase order in both Odoo and SAP. We will show you the interface for all of those. We won't be doing the transactions, but we will show you how to get there and looking at the user interface. So in terms of inventory, for Odoo, we're comparing these two. Odoo is on the left, SAP is on the right. So we're going to go into checking our inventory. How do we do that with Odoo? We go to that top left module, we go to inventory, and we'll go to products and product variances. So here we can see we have the internal reference numbers on the left, the name, the website, that we have the sales price, the cost, and the quantity. It was not too hard to get here, as you can tell. Now we're going to compare that in terms of inventory for the SAP. So SAP, I already went down the SAP pathway to get to our, to check our inventory. So you can see here, it's not as colorful as Odoo. The words and text is smaller. And so we see SAP menu, we're going to go down to logistics, then materials management, then inventory management, then environment, then stock, and then finally we go to warehouse stock MB52. As you can tell, it takes much longer to get there as well. If we were to click into it, we see that this would also require additional steps. You would need to know the material name, the plant name, the storage location, and the purchasing group, material group. The material, plant, and storage location would be enough to get you to your inventory to see that, and that is the difference there. And so now we're going to go over to creating a purchase requisition and show you that. So here, to go to purchase requisition, we're going to go back to Odoo on the left. We're going to go to the module, then we're going to go to the purchase application. As you can see, on the very bottom, we see the previous purchase orders we've made very clearly there. It's very easy to see where there is to make a new purchase order with this purple rectangle with new to request for a quotation. Did not take very long to get here. If we were to create a new sample creating that, we would put, this is the vendor details there.